Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create an easy but cool transition using a completely free plugin called Displacer Pro. To download the plugin, check the link in the description. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Let's get started. First go to the very end of the first clip. From that point, go back 40 frames by holding shift and pressing page up 4 times to overlap the 2 layers. On the top layer, apply the Displacer Pro plugin. Then make sure you are at the beginning of the layer and animate the translate amount. You can animate translate X for a horizontal transition or translate Y for a vertical transition. In this example, I will use a horizontal transition, so I will enable the translate X stopwatch and set the value to 50%. Now scroll forward to the point where the bottom clip ends and set translate X to 0%. If you preview the video, the transition may look incomplete or not fully smooth. To fix this, expand map adjustments. Set the displacement offset to 2 or 3, then adjust map softness to around 50% for a softer transition. Preview the result again. The transition is now complete, but I will enhance it further by adding a shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can also use your own shakes or check my shake tutorials on the channel. Also, AM Film Shake presets are available in the description. Place the shake right after the transition is complete. I will also stretch the layer with the animated keyframes by holding Alt on the keyboard. This will create a smooth and slower shake effect. You often ask what shake I use in my edits to create that wavy look. It is the wavy shake I just applied. Let me show you the final result, and we are done. For one last tip, you can add chromatic aberration to the transition. Expand the chromatic aberration and adjust the red and green values. Once that's done, preview the result. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.